Xinxiang Yulong Textile Co. Limited, founded in 2002, specialized in manufacturing the production of all kinds of functional fabric which take FR fabric, high visibility fabric, as leading and safety protective garments for many years. The company owns a functional fabric factory and safety clothing factory. As a leader of the domestic functional textile industry, Yulong Textile optimize advantage resources of fabric and garment to factories. Build the one-stop functional fabric garment service center. We are committed to bringing safety and security to everyone, every family, every organization, and building a green and safe world. We can customize fitter production for usage scenario according to customers' demand and feature of environmental condition. Many world-famous workwear brand cooperate with us and accept our service now. At present, Yulong Textile Co. Limited has operations in more than 170 countries and regions, serving more than 3 billion people. Our functional fabric factory covers nearly 150,000 square meters, and staff more than 500 people, have professional research technical team and quality inspection team more than the advanced equipment functional fabric production lines. Perfect research and development laboratory and quality testing center also deeply cooperate with the local university institution, which can continuous improvement and innovative product. Our company insists on the faith of green protection. The factory has passed the ISO 9001 International Quality Management System certification. Products reached OECO-TEX 100 etc. environmental detection. In addition, we invested heavily in building sewage treatment station, responsible for the global environment. BTTG, SGS, ARCWEAR, KNECTRICS, BV, ITS and other authoritative organizations. Our products can pass N 11,611, N 11,612, N 61,482, N 20,471, N 1,149, and other EU testing standards and GOST DIN NFPA 2112, NFPA 70 ASTMD 1506, ANSI 107 and other international common testing standards. Our safety clothing factory covers nearly 20,000 square meters, and staff more than 200 people, have automatic cutting machine, auto spreader, chain 3 needles pattern machine, auto button sewing machine, 5 stitches machine, fell seam machine etc. advanced production equipment. The garment factory strictly carry out 6S management method, equatic and reach SEI with the International Quality Certification Authority. In terms of garment quality control, the factory was equipped with professional QC team of 20 people. For every produce process, the inspectors have been arranged. Before delivery, they will inspect the finished goods according to the strict international quality control standards, AQL February the 15th. With the further development of industry, work environment began showing the features of variety and complex. In response to this phenomenon, our costume design team went into the various work scenes to do in-depth investigations and studies, in line with the principle of the protection of frontline workers at the greatest extent. We never stop improving overall security. According to the all kinds of potential risk factors in the working environment, we do improvement for the workwear's details. Traditional workwear general lack of comfort, our design team keep optimizing the tailoring method based on the ergonomic principles, so that to make workers more flexible and comfortable when wearing the workwear. In order to change people's impression on the tooling wear of lack of aesthetics. Our fashion design team continuous research the color matching way of workwear and it improve workwear size table, so that the tooling can also possess the aesthetic along with the safety and comfort properties.